Kanpur, often known for its Ganga Jamuni culture, is a mosaic of multiculturalism that exemplifies Hindu-Muslim unity in the region. And the 3-century-old Dargah of Jari Shah Baba attracts pilgrims from across the state. In a world which is often divided by differences, the shrine of Sufi saints stand as a shining example of the harmony achieved through love and respect.
Nestled on the border of Kanpur and Unnao lies the revered shrine of the Sufi saint Zari Shah Baba. In a world often divided by differences, the shrine of Zari Shah Baba stands as a shining example of communal harmony as people from all religions, Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs and Christians come together to the Dargah to pay tribute to him. The 300-year-old ancient mazar of Jari Shah Baba preaches the teachings of Sufism that have flourished for centuries to foster love and harmony with society.
इस दरगाह पे कानपुर क्या पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश के लोग आते हैं, जिसकी मुरादें होती हैं वो पूरी होती हैं। आके चादर चढ़ाते हैं, फूल चढ़ाते हैं और लंगर खाना करवाते हैं। हर धर्म के लोग आते हैं।
Believers say whoever comes to Dargah never returns empty-handed and that all their wishes are fulfilled upon coming here. Along with being a place of religious and historical significance, the site also offers visitors a peaceful environment to meditate and connect with their inner selves.
जब से हम जानते, जब ये बहुत नीचा था, बहुत खाली था, तो हम बहुत छोटे थे, तो हमारी मम्मी आती थी, तब से जानते हैं। फिर अब तो बड़े हो गए, अब ये इतनी ऊंचे हो गई है, लेकिन भाई सच्ची है, जो मन से मांगो तो पूरा हो जाता है, इसीलिए भाई हम लोग आते हैं।
Sufi architecture has traditionally been seen as a symbol of societal harmony, strengthening relationships between diverse populations and promoting a sense of brotherhood within the community.